As a sales rep, you want to get oriented with your work quickly by seeing priorities from different parts of the sales process in one place. For example, you can view and manage account information from a single place. You can see your tasks and appointments for today, your opportunities that are about to close, and new leads recently assigned to you all in one place. Your Actionable Infolets display the most relevant information as soon as you open your dashboard. You can use filters to view and take action on different aspects of the information. Use the My Opportunities filter to see the opportunities where you are on the team. Review the My Leads infolet to see which leads need your attention. You can perform quick actions for leads, opportunities, tasks, appointments, and accounts too. Now create a new lead from the My Leads detailed view. Give it a name and click Save and Close for now. The new lead shows up immediately. Moving on to opportunities, edit an opportunity on the fly from the dashboard by just drilling down. On the Edit Opportunity page, change the Sales stage from Presentation to Agreement and click Save and Close when done. And the updated opportunity is immediately available from your dashboard. Thank you for watching.